Let's take it over to pro trader Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist at Paradigm. What's the good word for us today, Alan?
Hello, Angie. We're seeing a summer heat up, and I mean up in stocks.
Update us on what's happening with your trades during the past few trading days. Any winners?
All right, our current positions, we've been selling into strength almost every week here in the last couple of months. We're very close in Lemonade, a trade that we just put on last week, this close to the 50% target in a week, so that's a good start. And then we also have the ARC Innovation Fund breakout. Obviously, the Nasdaq's led the way, and so this was a good play. It's at the highest level that we've seen since February.
What's your next play, Alan?
All right, let's talk about show me the money. So we're seeing some bullish leverage buying in Bank of America. Bank of America, this is a stock that has a PE of 8, so very inexpensive. It's down 20% in the last 52 weeks versus the S&P positive. And you've got the Dow, it's one Dow component. The Dow is essentially unchanged versus the S&P up 12% in 2023.
What else do you see happening here with Bank of America?
All right, the action in Bank of America. You're seeing bullish divergence bottom. It's been trading between 26 and 34 range. So you've got that bottom in place with new lows, but no new highs. We saw those new lows in March. What we're looking for here is a breakout of this range. Breakout of that range targets about the 34 level, where there's a gap up above as well.
What would be your call option strategy on this stock?
All right, the way to play BAC, I'm looking at September 26 call. Again, 26 is a low. It's trading for about 4, so a breakout here above this 30 level will get this stock started. And like I say, the target where we stood in February before the unique bank situation where a couple went bust because they were poorly managed and deserved to go out of business. The market, that stock was at 34, so Bank of America was at 34. If we just get back to that February level, this option gains 100%.
What would you like to leave us with today?
All right, trading takeaways. Trading takeaway number 1, small capitalizing. We talked about it last week. We're looking for both the Dow and the IWM, which is the Russell 2000, to play ball. And we've seen that. The IWM is broken out. Small caps, we're trading for sideways for 3 months. You're seeing a bullish boom breakout. Number 2, the gaps are filled. So there was an upside gap from way back when in the S&P at 42.18 on the upside, and the VIX at 14.21 on the downside. We actually saw the VIX trade at the 13 level here yesterday. So both of those are very positive. And number 3, 70-30 finish. So we're finished with rate hikes according to the markets, and the markets have had it right. The odds of a final hike in June are 30%. So there's more likely than not. But even with that possibility, let's remember where the market is right now, and we're only 10% from the all-time forever top in the S&P after all of this.
Thanks for the great trader talk, Alan.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.